is probably my best purchase I've made this year. I've had it on my wish list for 2 years. I tried on everything. I swear the sales associate probably thought I was moving in at this point. Let's unbox my Cartier Panthère watch together. Wait, I need to attach a microphone to tell the story. Perfect. Can we just agree that the Cartier Panthère watch is absolutely iconic? Would you believe that I've had this watch in my wish list for over 2 years? So I've always wanted a luxury watch, but not just any watch. I knew for a fact that I wanted it to be Cartier. I mean, when you think Cartier, you think iconic, feminine, elegant, old money, generational wealth. And I loved that, even though I don't have generational wealth. But the most important thing is this. I wanted to get a watch that symbolized something in my life. And I don't want to bore you, so I'm going to give you a brief overview of what I did. Quick backstory. I studied digital marketing at university and I graduated in 2023. While I was at university, I would build websites for fun. One of them being SurgeOfStyle, which is my personal website. I would build countless websites. I would sell them. I ended up having like 3 good websites that I actually built to like a good amount of traffic. One of them being in the home decor niche, which I built tremendously using SEO. Guys, I set a goal last year for December 2024, but I ended up achieving it in January of 2025. One of my websites reached 100,000 monthly visitors. And that wasn't like a one-off. It was literally like consistently month after month after month. And like 90K, 95, 100K. Now this was huge because I set a goal to be accepted to the biggest ad network ever, like in the world of digital marketing. I mean, you have your Google AdSense, pennies on the dollar. You have your Mediavine, couple hundreds of thousands of pounds. Then you have your Raptive, which is the ad network that I got accepted to. And of course, your earnings are a lot higher. I reached a financial goal of mine that made me enough money to splurge on my dream Cartier watch. And I thought, I'm gonna reward myself in the biggest way possible. So of course I had a couple of things on my vision board, one of them being the iconic Cartier Panthère watch. But now comes the question of size. Is it going to be a little bit special with diamonds? The price? Because let's face it, a Cartier watch will put the ultimate dent to your bank account. I wear so much gold jewelry. I mean, right now I'm currently wearing the gold teardrop earring from Bottega. But like, have you seen the prices of the gold Panthère watch? It is, yeah, no. For an everyday watch, I just felt like that was such a huge commitment. And I mean, I'm grateful for my beautiful apartment, but like, I'm gonna buy a house someday, and that's like a deposit for a mortgage, especially at like 25. I need to buy a house. So I decided between the steel and the two-tone watch. I mean, just for fun, I still tried on the gold watch just to see what a 20K watch felt like in my wrist. I tried on all the watches at the Cartier store. It comes in a medium size, a small size, and a mini size. I tried on everything. I swear the sales associate probably thought I was moving in at this point. I mean, this watch is so timeless, so iconic. It's been worn by the likes of Princess Diana. And personally, I love how lightweight it is. It's very like, if you know type of watch, you know? And although it's an everyday watch, it can literally take you from day to night. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here is, so I've already unboxed it, of course, because I got this watch in January of 2025. So I've already opened it, but I will reopen it again for you. We're gonna try this watch on together, dive into the details of why it's so iconic, and we're gonna style it together. We're gonna stack it. We're gonna see what I can wear for every day, and we're gonna take it from day to night. And clearly, I have a thing for Cartier because we have a lot of very fun jewelry that we're going to stack this watch with. So, are you ready? Do you know, it's crazy because I've already worn this watch. I've opened it, but like the idea of the fact that I own this is mind-boggling to me, honestly. So, let us open Le Cartier Panthère watch. So here is the packaging. It came in like this white packaging with like a red stamp on it, but I've already ripped it to shreds and thrown it in the bin. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you. Here is the Cartier Panthère watch in the mini size. Yes, I went for the mini size. She's so cute. She's so dainty. She's perfect for every day. She's very timeless, very elegant, very feminine, but very like, you know, she knows that she's here for business. Basically like me. I feel like this is me in a watch. I would say that the Cartier Panthère watch in the gold and steel metal is Benita.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel Benita.
It is me. This watch is me. Like, if I was to reincarnate myself back into this world, I would come back as a Cartier Panthère watch. I feel like that's the most Taurus thing to say. Taurus, if you know, you know. We like what we like. So can we open this up? Like all this talking, like girl, put it on. We want to see the watch. Underneath you have some extra stuff, a few links, Cartier card. Okay, honestly, so excited. So I'm just gonna do like a super close-up for you guys so you can see the mixed metals. So let's put her on. We're currently working with a naked wrist. I literally stripped my wrist for this video because normally I would have my everyday jewelry stack on my wrist. So I'm gonna take, okay, so first impressions. I love how lightweight it feels. Like it's heavy, but it's lightweight, if that makes sense. It has like this T-shaped lock design. It's actually called a hidden folding clasp. And what makes it so special is how sleek and seamless that lock is. I mean, look at how it just literally just disappears into the watch. Okay, we're gonna put it on. Do you know, I was gonna do my right wrist, but I literally burned my wrist like last week. I was cooking chicken in the oven. I mean, we're stacking Cartier watches on our wrist, not burning our wrist, cooking chicken. So yeah, not very on brand for SurgeOfStyle, but hey ho. If you guys know how to get rid of a burn, please let me know because that is not cute. It this way. I'm gonna take this and pull it forward. And take that and pull it forward as well. Honestly, so cute. Also, how cute are my nails? I literally got them done for this video. I'm really sorry about the reflection from my window, but I will show you what this looks like from a different angle. So perfect. Honestly, this is the perfect watch for me. This really tiny, dainty size actually looks quite nice on my wrist. I love it. So this is the two-tone model. It comes in medium, small, and mini. I went with the mini size. This is £8,000. Damn, the realization. But it's so worth it. It's so worth it. For me, I see an accomplishment. I see that I set myself a goal and 2 years later, I absolutely achieved that goal. I see a new chapter in my life, becoming a new woman. I feel like it's such a mature watch. Like, you know, they say when a woman is 25, she steps into her prime. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I can definitely say my wrist has reached her prime, definitely. Like, I've never owned a watch like this before, and I'm filled with so much gratitude to be able to buy and own a watch like this. It's just so beautiful. Shall we stack her? So for every day, of course, I would wear her on my wrist. Next, we could do my Juste un Clou nail bracelet. This one is in the big size. Oh, that looks, gonna put this just underneath, just because I don't want it to scratch my new watch. I mean, although, you know, one thing I always say is just, it's better to get all the scratches done and dusted, because that way you don't really have to like baby your luxury purchases. Like, I feel the same way about my Hermes bags. I think I'm gonna do the Love bracelet on this part. Also, for all the Cartier lovers out there, did you hear that Cartier will be releasing the large size of the Love bracelet with the same mechanism as the small one, so that way you don't have to like take it apart like this and have like two, but rather it would actually be joint like this. I think I'm gonna do this one for every day. Okay, I think that is so cute for every day because I don't really want it to scratch the top of my watch, just for me personally, because I do love a minimal stack. What do you guys think? Now, if I really wanted to hone in on that maximalist vibe, say for a night out or an event, I would do my clash rings. And I feel like because this watch is mixed metal with gold and silver, this ring stack would actually be a great idea. Let's see. How do we feel about that? I actually like this stack. That is really special. I love the Cartier Clash collection. I only have the Clash in a bracelet and the rings, but I would love to get the earrings. So back to a more everyday stack. I would do my Love ring. I have it in a big and a small size. And I probably would add this Chaumet Be My Love just between these rings. I feel like the Chaumet makes it a little bit more special. I'll take this off just because it's not really an everyday jewelry for me. And to top it all off, I'm just gonna wait for the police car to chase all the criminals. I'm gonna add my Tiffany ring on my stack. This was a very special gift from my boyfriend. I love that. I actually love this ring stack for every day. But I mean, what could be more special than the Cartier Panthère watch? Just being able to look down on my wrist and realize that anything that we set our minds to, we can achieve. I think It's such a beautiful thing. I've also done an in-depth article and photo shoot of this watch on my website, SurgeOfStyle.com, for you to check out with more details about the watch, different ways in which I'll style them, price comparisons, my honest review in owning the Cartier Panthère watch for a month, and any other juicy details that concern the Cartier watch. I think what makes this watch so special is the fact that I literally bought this for myself. Do I regret buying this watch, even though it put a dent in my bank account? Absolutely not. But honestly, a piece like this is more than just a watch. It's a celebration of hard work, setting a goal and achieving it, and knowing that you deserve luxury, whoever you are. Now I want to hear from you guys. Do you have any luxury watches on your wish list? What's your next luxury purchase? A Cartier watch? A Birkin? Maybe a yacht? Let's manifest together in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury and fashion content. I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.